Healthy aging isn't just a dream. I'm about to share the secrets that can help you live your most vibrant life. Welcome to today's video on healthy aging strategies, empowering women for a vibrant life. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, aging is a natural part of life, but how we age can be influenced by our lifestyle choices. In this video, we'll explore actionable steps you can take to age gracefully, feel vibrant, and live life to its fullest. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into how you can embrace aging while maintaining a healthy, empowered, and joyful life. Aging is often misunderstood. It isn't just about the number of years we've lived but about how well we maintain our mental, physical, and emotional health. For women, aging is accompanied by unique challenges, hormonal changes, shifts in metabolism, and societal pressures. But aging doesn't have to mean declining health or energy levels. In fact, many women report feeling more confident and fulfilled as they age. By focusing on the right strategies, you can age in a way that supports your body, mind, and spirit. In this video, we'll explore key pillars that contribute to healthy aging: nutrition, physical activity, mental well-being, skincare, and building supportive communities. Let's start with nutrition, one of the most important aspects of healthy aging. What we eat directly affects how we feel and how well we age. Here are a few guidelines for ensuring your diet supports you as you age. Focus on whole foods incorporating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the nutrients your body needs. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, leafy greens, and nuts, help fight oxidative stress, which accelerates aging. Stay hydrated as we age, our sense of thirst can diminish. Dehydration can lead to dry skin, fatigue, and even cognitive issues. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses. Healthy fats incorporate healthy fats, like those found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish, which help support brain function and keep your skin glowing. Consider supplements. While food should be your primary source of nutrients, certain supplements like calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids may become more important as you age to support bone health and reduce inflammation. Talk to your healthcare provider about what's right for you. Remember, it's not about following a strict diet but about finding balance and choosing nutrient-dense foods that energize you from within. Next, let's talk about movement. Physical activity is essential to maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and cardiovascular health as you age. Exercise also releases endorphins, which are mood-boosting chemicals that help you feel more energetic and positive. Strength training: as we age, we lose muscle mass, especially after 40. Incorporating strength training, even just a few times a week, can help combat this. Lifting weights, using resistance bands, or doing bodyweight exercises like squats and lunges can build muscle and support joint health. Flexibility and balance: yoga, Pilates, and stretching routines help maintain flexibility and improve balance, which reduces the risk of falls, a common concern as we get older. Cardiovascular health: keeping your heart healthy is key. Whether it's brisk walking, swimming, cycling, or dancing, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate cardiovascular activity each week. Not only does this improve heart health, but it boosts metabolism and helps maintain a healthy weight. Listen to your body: it's important to stay active but also to be mindful of your body's limits. If you're new to exercise, start slow and build up gradually. Movement should be enjoyable. Find activities you love, whether it's dancing, hiking, or yoga, so exercise feels like a reward, not a chore. Healthy aging isn't just about taking care of your body, it's also about nurturing your mind and emotions. Stress, anxiety, and mental health challenges can impact aging, so let's explore some strategies for mental and emotional well-being. Practice mindfulness and meditation: taking a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness or meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall mental clarity. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help calm your mind and increase resilience. Stay socially connected: maintaining strong social connections is critical for mental health as we age. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, or community groups. Studies have shown that people with rich social lives tend to live longer and healthier lives. Lifelong learning: keep your brain active by engaging in new challenges. Whether it's learning a new language, picking up a hobby, or reading, keeping your mind stimulated helps protect against cognitive decline. Self-care and emotional health. Aging can come with emotional challenges, such as dealing with life transitions, retirement, or empty nesting. Make self-care a priority, whether it's journaling, practicing gratitude, or seeking therapy when needed. Mental and emotional health is just as important as physical health. Our skin is one of the most visible signs of aging, and while aging skin is natural, there are ways to maintain its health and vibrancy. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water and use moisturizing products to keep your skin hydrated. Look for products with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which help retain moisture and brighten the skin. Sun protection. Sun damage is one of the leading causes of premature aging. Make it a habit to wear sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days, and avoid prolonged sun exposure. Skincare routine. Develop a simple skincare routine that works for you. Cleanse, moisturize, and exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells and promote a youthful glow. One of the most overlooked aspects of healthy aging is the power of community. Building a supportive network of friends, family, and mentors can provide encouragement, share wisdom, and enhance your overall well-being. Women supporting women. Seek out female-led communities where women support each other through the challenges of aging. These spaces foster confidence and empowerment. Engage in local or online groups, whether it's through a local walking group, a book club, or an online forum. Connecting with like-minded individuals can improve your mood and help you feel more connected. Aging is inevitable, but how we experience it is up to us. By focusing on nutrition, physical activity, mental health, skincare, and building meaningful connections, you can age in a way that empowers you to live a vibrant, fulfilling life. Remember, every age is beautiful, and it's never too late to prioritize your well-being. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more empowering tips on living your best life at any age.